Okay guys, just got done with laundry and I finally got my Top King gloves in. Just gonna do a quick unboxing. Let's go ahead and so just some backstory. I actually bought this last week for about $84. This is a 14 ounce. I think this is a Super Air. I do have twins gloves. It does look a little bit similar to the twins, but I heard the fit on this is different, so we'll see. I was gonna buy twins, but I don't like how puffy it is and how curved the gloves are, because it's kind of like curved this way. Let me show you guys real quick. Okay, so I'm gonna do a comparison with the Fairtex gloves. As you can see, it's curved a little bit, but not as much as the twins. And look at this, you know how it's straight? I'm not too sure if my gloves are defected or what, but my twins are kind of crooked with this little boy. It's the dog, the K9 unit. Got any bombs in there? We're good? He loves the smell of leather. Anyways, back to what I was talking about. You know how it's straight? It's like this when you make a fist, but this right here, it's kind of curved. Look at that. There's a big curve. And it doesn't really feel too comfortable when you're punching. It's kind of like this. You can see my fat hand, but it's kind of curved like this. So it doesn't feel natural, but we'll see how this feels. So let's go ahead and do the unboxing. Doing it with one hand, so don't mind me. Cut the gloves. There she is, Top King Super Air. Yeah, this is a Super Air. 14 ounce. Wrapped nicely. So we got these and these separate. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this up, and then we'll be back. Okay, my dog doing a little inspection here. So these are the gloves. I'm not too sure if these are made to order or whatever, but man, the quality does not look too good. The paint looks like it's coming off. I wonder if this is used or what, but paint is coming off. I don't know if you guys can see that. It is a little straighter. It's not as puffy as the twins. You can see right here, comparison. Look how puffy the padding in the back is, and compared to this. Let me put it on real quick. Here it is. I'm gonna tell you, it's pretty tight, and that's basically. Yeah, it's pretty tight. I gotta break this in, but I like how it feels. It has a lot of padding, and I gotta break this in. Has a lot of padding on this area, the palm area. Yeah, there's not too much room to move around, but my problem is the paint. It doesn't look too durable, and the stitching look like it'll break after heavy use. See, the problem with shipping from Amazon is that it's stored in a warehouse, and the warehouse is not that, I think it's not that cool, to be honest, and it's probably hot in there. Correct me if I'm wrong, but this basically was getting heated inside the warehouse while being covered in a bag. Yeah, the paint isn't too good. I don't like how the paint same size cuff. See the Fairtex, it's kind of longer than it's longer than the usual compared to the Fairtex gloves. That's how the other side looks like. I'm gonna go use them today, so we'll see. Hopefully it doesn't break apart. See, look at the quality. This is real leather according to the specs.